Good morning. I mean, that's March in the Midwest, right? In Wisconsin, definitely. So we are sunny for Tuesday. What we're tracking, though, is a big warm up into tomorrow, about 15 degrees warmer tomorrow than it will be today. And that's ahead of rain that we're going to be tracking into Thursday. Let's start with what's happening right now, though, as you're heading out the door. Probably want to grab at least a layer or two. It's a bit chilly out there. 13 currently in Madison right now. 5 in Baraboo. We're at -3 in Montello, 16 in Monroe and Janesville, 13 in Lone Rock and Platteville with a little bit of a wind chill. Thankfully, winds are fairly calm. If they weren't, we would all be dealing with negative wind chills this morning. But it does feel like -3 up in Montello, -1 in Camp Douglas, 7 in Janesville. We're at 5 in Watertown. Now, as we kind of watch our next system here, what's allowing for a very nice cool down here, what finally pushed away that snow system from the last couple of days, this high pressure system, H equals happy weather. We see a lot of sunshine with these systems and calm conditions. Ahead of this system, winds are out of the north, but behind it, winds are going to pick up out of the south, which is a warm weather direction, and we are going to see a big warm up into Wednesday. It's also going to be very breezy tomorrow, winds gusting up to about 30 miles an hour ahead of our next system. It's going to kind of grab a lot of moisture from the Gulf of Mexico there, and we're going to be tracking, it looks like, some rain late Wednesday night into Thursday. What's it with the Thursdays? We've been talking about that, right? Almost every Thursday we've been dealing with some sort of system, mostly snow. This one, though, looks like we're going to stay on the warmer side of this system to where we would just be dealing with rain, or at least mostly rain. Thursday looks like it's going to be a rainy and breezy day for us. Now, behind this system is where we're going to have to watch for wintry precipitation because temperatures will be dropping near that freezing mark. So if that moisture can linger through Friday and Saturday, we could see a light wintry mix or some light snow showers there into Saturday. But right now, anything that would fall would probably not accumulate to much of anything at all, and then we'll dry out pretty quickly into Sunday and Monday. So we'll be watching that. It looks like, though, we're going to miss most, if not all, of the snow. It's going to be over that northern Wisconsin area that's going to get hit by those higher snow accumulations. The areas that have seen higher snow depth, 16 inches of snow depth in Wausau, 25 up in Duluth, Minnesota. We're at 5 inches in Madison. That's all from the snow that we saw just the last couple of days. This is kind of interesting. This is snow so far for our season. The average snowfall just for March in general, the entire month, is 7 inches. We're already at 11.5, not even halfway through this month. Also, most of the months that we've seen have recorded above average snowfall, 56.6 inches of snow for the season so far. So that precipitation outlook, even if we do see those little chances for snow into Saturday, would not accumulate to much of anything at all. Then we'll dry out by Monday of next week. 42 will be the high for the first day of spring.